look at this equation. So how to solve that? The first thing we're going to apply is the rule. The m root of a powered by n equal to a powered by n over m. Okay, so we're going to apply on this equation. So by default, it's going to be 9 powered by 1. So now we're going to write out 3 powered by 2x plus 1 equal to 9 over 9 powered by 1 over 3, or we call this a rational exponent. Okay, so we're going to apply another rule, which is a powered by n over a powered by m. We can write out as the a powered by n minus m. So in this fraction, we're going to convert to this. So 3 powered by 2x plus 1 equal to 9 1. Okay, you can see that minus 1 over 3. Okay, so now we going to make the 9 powered by 2, which is equal to 9. Okay, so we're going to rewrite this again. 3 powered by 2, the whole thing's powered by 1 minus 1 over 3. So in these things, we're going to apply the rule a powered by n, and the whole thing's powered by m equal to a powered by n multiplied by n. Okay, so we're going to rewrite this equation again. 2x plus 1 equal to, okay, so we're going to apply this distributive properties into this power by, okay, doing distributive property. So we can write power 2 minus 2 over 3. Okay, so now we can see that the base number is the same. So we're going to apply the rule a powered by m equal to a powered by n. So the m must be equal to n. So now we're going to write the power, okay, 2x plus 1 equals to 2 minus 2 over 3. Okay, and this one still the same. So now we're going to apply this common denominator. Okay, equal to 6 minus 2 over 3. Okay, so I'm going to write another line. So this one equal to 4 over 3. Alright, so okay, so let's go to this page. We're remaining the equation 2x plus 1 equal to 4 over 3. So now we can see this integer, we're going to move it. So I'm going to plus minus 1 here. Okay, so this one will cancel each other. So on this side we have 2 minus as well. Okay, now we remaining 2x equal to, okay, so we do it the same. So 4 minus 3 over 3. Okay, because it's half the common denominator. Okay, so now we can rewrite 2x equal to 1 over 3. Okay, so now we can see that x here have 2. So we have to remove the number 2 on the left here. Okay, so we have to divide it by 2. And this one we have to divide it as well. Okay, so now here we have only x. Okay, so we write out x equal to 1 over 3, and the whole thing is divided by 2. So we're going to remove this number. So we have to multiply on each. So it means that on the denominator and the numerator as well. So here I'm going to multiply by 3. Okay, so then we have to multiply here 3 as well. So now the above we can cancel each other. So now we have x remaining 1 over 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 6. So the x equal to 1 over 6.